Hello there, welcome to Mr. Saxon. So today I'm going to talk about something personal. I will say not the best topic probably ever that making excited everybody, but for me it's super insane. So for example, I'm going to talk about the M1 chip of Apple. I'm not an Apple fan. I'm just like the hardware they have. I don't like the company at all. The company for me is a bit miserable company, how everything they do and what they do with the people. But the hardware they have is insane. So I'm daily driving an M1 Max since 2023. So I already bought it secondhand, so it was already 2 years old. And well, there's a video about that. You're going to see it probably somewhere up there. And the point what I want to talk about that is because I always having a laptop, and I was changing my laptop every 2 to 3 years monthly because it's getting old, it's getting slow, it's laggy, it's horrible, it's a piece of crap after 3 years. So anybody that could have now a laptop could say, yeah, my laptop is not the best. And I always am enthusiastic of the tech. So I always want to have the latest technology, you know. I want to have a fast computer. I want to have the first thing. I want to have everything that is possible to be the top tier because I like it. I don't have the money. I save for it and then I bought it. But the point is that since I have the M1, never thought about changing my computer anymore. So we're talking about 3 full years without any problem. I had at work, I have an M4 Pro, and even like that is a lot faster and everything. I still like my M1. It's more than enough. I don't need nothing more powerful than an M1 just because it's more than enough. Okay, I make my daily day, everything is going smooth, everything is fast, the battery is insane, the heat, the quality of the sound of the computer is totally perfect. There is nothing I could say could be better. Probably the notch, everybody's complaining about the notch, but I don't care. I think the notch is something that, I mean, it's just there. It's disturbing, yeah, it's a bit annoying maybe, but you can survive with it. It's not a problem. So that's something that I just want to talk about that. So that is also going together with my video about secondhand or refurbished. So I will 100% recommend it right now. How is the price of the RAM? How everything is going? To just buy a basic Mac. I did that to my mom, for example. I bought M1. I mean, not too basic, but it's an M1 Pro. It was a good price. The point. An M1 Pro, 16 gigabytes of RAM. I would recommend don't go to 8, go to 16, and then 1 terabyte of space. And that was around 300 euros. Yeah, around 300 euros was the price of the computer. So it was a super good price. The only thing that is not working is the sensor with them that you put the digital and then boop, turn on and make everything with the little finger, but it's not working. But I don't care, and I think my mother don't care too, so it's fine. For 300 euros I don't mind that is failing. But that's one of the things. It's a computer that is fresh like new. So if somebody told you that the computer is fresh from today, you will believe it. It's totally snappy, super fast, super. The only way that you can see that your computer is more slow is you compare with another Mac. So far right now in Windows there is nothing that is so snappy. We don't say fast, we say snappy, that things open fast in a second. With Windows, the chips are faster. My chip that I have in my PC is a lot faster than the one in the Mac. But the Mac is built in a way that is insane. So 100% recommend. Please, I'm going to let a link for a back market with some of the favorite MacBook Pros I will recommend to have it, and also the Mac Minis, because a lot of people have a Mac Mini, but if you don't have a screen or you want to have it all in, I will say MacBook Pro is the second best audio system you can have in a computer. The first one is the same version, it's 14 inches, a 16 inches version, but it's exactly the same. So I 100% recommend that. So the video is not sponsored by Back Market. I just bought a lot of things there, as you can see in the video that you can see up there, that I'm super fanatic with it. I bought everything I have of technology, and I will recommend, if you're really searching for a computer, go to Mac, unless you want a game. Gaming in a Mac is complicated. You just need to check if the game you play usually have a Mac version. In my case, yes, I'm lucky. I have Factorio, and World of Warcraft is playable through Mac, but other games, for example Helldivers 2, is not. and I have my big computer for doing that, but most of the games I play in the big computer because the Mac, I mean, it's a good graphic card, but I cannot handle. So that's mostly what I want to say, that how that computer get insane. And the story of the first M1 was kind of funny. The point is that there was one person having a Mac, a regular MacBook with an Intel one with i9 turbo AMD graphic card, so a super badass computer. And he was recording a video, and then when I edited and I uploaded to YouTube, and seems to be that the iPhone was faster doing the job than the MacBook. So that's when the people of Apple realized, like, we can use Apple chip, the ones we built for the iPhone, to put it in our computers. And that's how the first testing environment for the new M1 chip was an iPhone chip. And that's insane. It's the same they do now with the iPhone, with the MacBook Neo is having the iPhone chip. And in fact, it's faster than the M1. The only problem is that I only have 8 GB of RAM, so I will 100% not recommend the Neo. Go to a second-hand MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, or whatever, M1, M2, M4, M3, better than the Neo. The Neo is a super niche thing just for specific people that only watch videos or things like that. If you want to do something else, better a MacBook Pro. And if you don't have so much money, MacBook Air. But the difference between the Air and the Pro is the sound system. Fun, so if you have hard something that it requires a bit of power, the MacBook Pro is going to handle. And the screen is insane. The screen of the MacBook Pro, there is no better screen in the market. So that's it. I hope you like the video. So make a like if you like it, dislike if you don't like it, comment. If you really want to help with some extra computers, there is also Windows computers that are good in the market, but just in case, I just say that it's the best and safe is go to an M1, for example, and then see you around. And remember,
welcome to Mr. Saxon.
Ciao.